Okay, guys, I'll show you how to do foot changes, different variations of foot changes. So you normally use it a lot, especially in advanced routines as a transition. So do this exercise. So, so first foot change is from the back to the front. So go back, and here you're going together front. Yeah, from here you're going back, collect leg, together front. So what is how to do this one? Use your back leg straight, 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 gradual heel, collect, and from here, as you go up, you change your foot as fast as you can with the skirt flying. Boom for the girls, of course, and then here, back. So go back, together front, back, together front. So I recommend you to practice it holding the wall together in here as fast as possible with the rolling feel. Back, together front, back, together front. So what another style? Another is when you're going forward and then you're going together back. So going forward, together. You see feet very, very close, pivoting back. So feeling like almost like you jump to the other side, together back. Front, together back. Front, together back. And if your legs slightly bent, and this one is fine too. Make sure they just together. Front, together back. Front, together back. Now, if you combine this one, front together, back, back together, front, we call it zigzag. Front together, back. Now going from here, back together, front, front together, back, back together, front, front together, back, back together, front. Now, if you would like to make it continuous, we call it continuous zigzag. It's gonna go back. Now here foot change together front, and now from here we're gonna change together back, together back, together front, together back, together front, together back. You can do exactly the same other side. Back, together front, together back, together front, together back, together front. So practice your foot change.